Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to delete photos in OneDrive album on computer. So how to delete photos in OneDrive album on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the OneDrive application on your computer or laptop. And this is the OneDrive display. To delete photos, first go to the album menu, move the cursor to the left of the screen. Here are many menu options. Tap the Photos menu. Here it will appear like this. Tap the Albums menu here. Here the Albums menu display. Enter the album that will be deleted photos. Well, here it is already in my album. To delete photos, tap one of the photos to be deleted. Next, tap the delete icon above here. And then tap delete again. Now you can see the photos I deleted are gone or have been successfully deleted. So that's it, tutorial how to delete photos in OneDrive album on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.